To find your tuition balance, log into your myOkanagan account. Your account login information can be found on correspondence from the college. If you have never logged into your account, your username is your 9-digit student ID number, and the default password is your birthday, month, day, year. If you're having problems logging in, refer to the How to Log In to myOkanagan video on the Okanagan College YouTube site. www.youtube.com/user/Okanagan College. Navigate to the Student tab. Click on Student Records, located in the Online Services channel. Click on Account Summary. At the top you will see your account balance. This shows how much you owe. Below shows a breakdown of all charges, credits, and payments, and once again your account balance. If your balance shows a negative, this means you have a credit of that amount. Remember to pay your tuition before your fee payment deadline. Refer to www.okanagan.bc.ca/fee payment for deadlines and additional information. To learn how to make online payments, refer to the How to Make Online Payments video on the Okanagan College YouTube site, www.youtube.com/user/Okanagan College.